CVS is now offering vaccines for children aged 5 to 11 starting this weekend.
Fox 35's Matt Trezza with the latest on how local parents are reacting to the availability.
The CVS on Sand Lake Road in Dr. Phillips is one of the many locations children ages 5 to 11 can now get their COVID-19 vaccine. 9-year-old Amanda Montiel came with her father to get the dose and says she doesn't want to catch COVID.
Because it kills people and it's really really dangerous, yeah.
Parents or guardians must be with children when they go in for the shot. This vaccine is different than the one people ages 12 and up are getting. The Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine for children 5 to 11 years old is a lower dose.
The dose that they're getting is a third of the dose that everyone 12 and above will be receiving. It's actually 10 micrograms, whereas the adult population, 12 and above, are getting 30 micrograms.
Doctors say this shot will cut down on the number of kids carrying the disease and spreading it to others.
It was effective in regards to what the CDC and the FDA felt was needed for the number to treat. So beyond that, we'll see as more and more kids get it, how well and effective it goes.
The FDA says the Pfizer vaccine has met its safety criteria and will be a great tool in stopping the spread of COVID-19 among children. Public health officials say this will especially keep our children safe and healthy in schools.
Our children in schools have become part of our vulnerable population because unfortunately there wasn't a vaccine available to them. So many kids were getting sick and lots of outbreaks happening in schools. And now there's an opportunity for us to be able to protect our children and keep our schools and communities safer.
Walgreens and Publix locations are also starting to offer vaccines to children 5 to 11. Montiel says she hopes her friends get vaccinated too.
For them to stay safe and feel good and yeah.
Store managers say be sure you call ahead or go online to be sure the shots are available before you head there with your child. CVS says they're also upgrading the waiting areas and areas around the pharmacies to make them more comforting and welcoming for kids. At Sand Lake Road, Matt Trezza, Fox 35 News.